Hi! In this video, I will give a quick introduction to AVR, lock, and security bits, and give examples of when to use them. I will also show how to set them and verify that they have been set correctly. This can be done both in Atmel Studio with a GUI, or by command line for ease of use when multiple devices are being programmed. The memory lock bits of an AVR device are configurable fuses, which define different levels of security and safety during device operation. The fuses are divided into two different parts. There are the boot lock bits for internal access and the lock bits for external access. Boot lock bits are used when you would like to restrict the access internally between flash sections, for instance when using a bootloader. Lock bits are used to prohibit the flash and EEPROM from being accessed by an external tool. There are multiple ways to set the lock bit fuses, but the only way to clear them is to do a full chip erase. We will now have a quick look at how this can be achieved. Okay, so I have Atmel Studio open with my ATmega 324 PB Explain Pro connected. I'm going to go to Tools, Device Programming. So here I have my tool, device, and interface configured. I'll press Apply. Read the device signature to make sure we have a stable connection. And this tab over here called Lock Bits is where you can see the lock bit fuses. So here we have the lock bit and the boot lock bit fuses. So I'm going to change the lock bit fuse to be no further programming and verification disabled. So this means that I shouldn't be able to access my device with an external tool. So here you can see that it's indicated we've changed it in the GUI but haven't programmed it to the device. So I'm going to click Program. And it says it's successful. So we'll read them back and make sure they're still the same. So further programming and verification is disabled. So I'm going to try and change it back, which will give an error because we've configured our device to have no access from an external tool. So here we have the error. So the only way to clear these is for it to do a chip erase. So I'll do that and then read the lock bits back. And now you can see the lock bit is back to no memory lock features enabled. So now I'll show you how to do it in command line. So you can do that with ATprogram. So configure the device, ATmega 324 PB. Our tool is embedded debugger. Interface JTAG. And so we're going to write the lock bits with hex values. So this is just the same setting as I did in the GUI with external programming disabled. I press Enter. So that was completed successfully. So we can read them back to make sure they've been changed. And here you can see FC is the lock bit configuration. The boot lock bits have been untouched. So to clear these in command line, we just use the chip erase. And read them again. And they're back to default values. And that's it.